get-go. On AI video game NPCs. If people here play video games, I'm not going to do raise your hand because I hate those kinds of presentations. People love video games, but the pinnacle of NPCs in video games is AI-driven NPCs that can react to what you do naturally. And not only can you have like a chat with them that's more contextual, so it's like not like you can just chat with them about whatever. What if they could interact with the environment and receive info from the environment, but also be able to interact outwardly? So imagine you're in Skyrim and you're just burning someone's house down. They don't just have the normal scripted line of like, oh, how's it going, traveler? Like they can actually properly react. So this is an example made in Unity, built in Voiceflow. The flow is here, and I'm not going to go through it, but there's like a bunch of prompt training to include things like lore and react to user input. But here we go. I hope the audio is going to work. So it's, yeah, I built it all in Unity. Myself, this is from assets from Celeste, but if we listen.
Hi there.
Oh, it didn't work, but it spoke hi there. So it's voice of 11 Labs.
How's your climb going?
How's your climb going? The faces are AI generated, so it's like choosing it based off what it thinks is an appropriate reaction. And then you can talk whatever you want. So good, how about you? And then there's a game master that is actually looking at the conversation, what's going on, and choosing to change things in the game. So either giving you items or changing the scene. So.
I'm just taking a break at base camp. Have you reached any interesting spots yet?
Okay, didn't get something there, but no. So it can interact deeply with the game, so things like changing the scene, and the idea would be that you could do this more deeply in a real game where the whole game isn't just like a chatting game, but there's something going on. You can turn to your NPC and chat with them more properly.
It's okay. Sometimes the journey itself is the best.
Very cute.
I'm planning to head up the North Face soon. Have you tried that route?
While climbing, you found a backpack.
So there's like a narrator that decided they want to give me a backpack for some reason, and she reacts to it. So I got my backpack in my inventory up here, and then I keep going.
Cool.
Maybe there's something useful.
Have you tried any others?
So I can give her the backpack and stuff like that. Anyways, I'm just going to keep going. I'm not going to keep going on. But the idea is you can make cool NPCs in video games, and this is all built on Voiceflow, really easy.
While climbing, you found a strawberry.
Wow, we found a strawberry, yay! But yeah, so there's like a big prompt training thing. It has a personality, it has context on what's going on, and we're passing in like the location. Yeah, so hopefully you guys think that's cool.
Alex, 1 second. Do we have a question for Alex?
So just gauging the progress today as part of the judging. You said you started this a couple days ago, is that right?
Yeah, I didn't do any progress on this today. I was helping other people with their projects. But this took, 2 days. I mean, it's a testament to the Voiceflow platform that you can build this kind of advanced AI agent so fast. All the 11 labs is done on platform, and then all I had to do was the Unity side of things. But yeah.
Awesome. Well done.
Yeah, it's just an AI agent. That's what it is.